garbage car. Keep it up. Let's attach recycling stickers to the garbage car. Hooray! The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. We need to fix a crack on the garbage car. Don't stop. Let's grind the welding suit. Done. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the that's all. Let's assemble the flat car. Hooray! Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat. Amazing! Let's repair the railroad station. Let's wash the flat car. Ready. Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. We did it! Let's load the roof onto the crane with cargo bed. Keep up the good work. Let's install new roof and windows.